Salaama Alaykum. My name is Aisha and I'm here today to appeal to you regarding the situation of my mom and the two orphan girls she's looking after. You see, the yearly flood which takes place in the northern Nigerian village called Unguru has left my 85-year-old mom and the two orphans she's looking after in a terrible, devastating situation. They have lost all their belongings. We are therefore raising the sum of £12,000 so that we can purchase a two-bedroom flat for them in the city, because the next time the flood takes place, they might not be so lucky, as their neighbors were not that lucky. Some of them ended up in a hospital and some of them have died. So please donate generously in this month of Ramadan so that we can achieve our goal. May Allah bless you with Jannatul Firdaus. Please reference your donation if it is for zakah or sadaqah. Jazzakumallahu khayrun and Salaama Alaykum. Happy iftar.
Honorable Legend location. Fine as well.